Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. In this video, I am going to share if you are a beginner and you want to start your speaking journey, but you are struggling with in between the grammar concepts and you're making continuously notes and you're feeling yourself I'm stuck. You want to start your speaking journey as a beginner, so this video is for you. So in this video, we are going to discuss about how we can start speaking from the day one as a beginner. You might be reading books, you might be listening to the podcast and audiobooks. Apart from this, you might struggling between the grammar concepts and you are continuously making the notes. Apart from this, you are struggling to speak. Remember first thing that input is really important when you want to start speaking. Before that, you have to give yourself a proper input of the language. You have to surround yourself entirely around this language by listening, by reading, by writing, and all the four pillar of the language. You want to start speaking, so don't expect too much from yourself. Don't think that I am just a beginner and I am going to speak like a fluent or native speakers. It takes a lot of times and a lot of effort. This is not your mother tongue. This is not that is your original language. So please take it easy and start from today. Start practicing. First way is to start making sentences. The simple way to start speaking, before that you need translation. If this is not your native language, so you need to start your journey from translation. Can be differ from person to person. Somebody would say that and we started speaking just by watching these and start listening podcast and watching the other youtubers videos. But as I said that input is important, but if you are not having environment, so you will face struggle while speaking. So make your mind practice, make your mind familiar with this language before making your mouth. So in this case, you need to start making sentences right now. Start with the Hindi sentence. For example, you are learning tense, the concept of tense. So you don't have to wait for the perfect day that I will learn all the tenses. After that, suddenly, out of blue moon, I will start speaking all of a sudden one day. These practices may look trivial, but these are really effective if you do them persistently. So start translating, start creating sentences. One tense, like you pick the present tense, make a one Hindi sentence, and then by using that tense, the knowledge you have learned, like how to use subject, verb, object, and helping verb, that sequence and that structure, start creating sentences. Start creating sentence with that same word using in different tenses. Use that same sentence and makes it for 3 to 4 types. In interrogative type, how to make its interrogative type, its negative type, its affirmative types, and then pick the same sentence with the past tense and future tense. This is how you start practicing. You start creating these sentences. This will help you sentence process. Once you start making sentences and you do it daily, then you will get used to of it and it will automatically translate sentences while you are writing. The second way that you can use is start speaking to yourself. Start with the small sentences. Sit with yourself for the 5 minute. Ask yourself in English, what is your name? What you like? What is your favorite color? Start with small sentences. After that, increase them. When you start with these questions, start asking question to yourself. Start asking about yourself. Start within yourself. Who I am, whom I want to be, what I want to become, what I did today, what is my plan for tomorrow. You start questioning to yourself in English and then start answering yourself. This is how you build your habit. I hope you found this video helpful and thank you so much for watching.